Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and the sidekicks for today's video. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. Zena's not here, but I'm sure you will see her throughout the course of this video. It is Sunday morning. We're kicking off another what I wore outfit of the day video. I had to nab Wyatt because when he's outside, he is laser focused on any bug he can find. Aren't you, dude? So I wanted you to see him before he runs off chasing a bug. All right, so we've got, as typical on a Sunday, lots of work to do, and for whatever reason, it seemed like so many boxes came in this week, and I am behind. And next week, I'm trying to take some time off, so it gives me double stress. So I got to try to work ahead. So for today's outfit, I chose a set. There's nothing better on a Sunday, whether you're relaxing or you're going to work. Than a set, right? And I love this one. This is one of my favorite for the summer from Wantable. It's a BB Dakota set. And I love that it's short sleeve because I don't know that any of my other shorts sets actually have a short sleeve top to go with it, but this one does. So as I said, came in a Wantable, and I paired it simply with flip-flops I got from Old Navy. Love these. Haven't been able to find this exact pair since because I was going to see if they had them in any other colors, but I haven't. I picked them up at the store for like $12. And then for jewelry, I just have on a pair of silver hoops and a bracelet that one of my amazing subscribers made for me. And that's it. We're ready to go. What do you think, Wyatt? See how intense? All right. I hope your week starts off amazing, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday and time for outfit of the day. Wyatt is trailing something. I have no idea what. It is early because I have meetings all day, so this is my only time to get this in today. 68, it's going to get up to 88 today and be nice and warm. I chose for my outfit today my Express smocked top I shared with you in my Express haul. Threw it on with a pair of white cut from the cloth shorts that I got in a trunk club. My jewelry is a necklace from Loft. My earrings are from Rocksbox. I have on a ring from Stella Dot. I think my ear cup is also Rocksbox, if you can catch that. And of course, I just put on my Leicester shoes to run around the house, nice and comfy. I love this gold. And I think that's it for today. What do you think, Wyatt? He's so intense on bug patrol every time we're outside. It's too funny. All right, so I hope your week starts off fabulous, and I hope you catch my Nordstrom anniversary sale haul today. All my items that I picked on that first go by, which I'm going to try not to shop anymore, came in. Now I have to decide what to keep and what goes back, so help me out, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, right? Yeah, it's Tuesday. I had to think about that. Time for outfit of the day, and it is gorgeous outside, 86. This is my first time outside, and it is later in the afternoon, way past my lunchtime. But I've had non-stop meetings the entire day. So for today, I chose a Michael Stars tank. It's a little bit big under my arms, but I love this V-neck tank, so I threw on my Nicky Bicky bralette for underneath it that I got in a JB Stylebox. I threw on these amazingly fun Dear John shorts that I got last year in a Wantable that I absolutely love. And I bet you know which shoes I have on. My yellow Halogen slides that make an appearance, I swear, almost every single week. And for jewelry, I have on all my bracelets that my amazing subscriber made for me in love. I have a ring on from Rocksbox, and I have silver hoops on, and a necklace that I think I got from Rocksbox. And that's everything for today. So I hope you're all doing well on this Tuesday. And Zena's all rowdy. Here she is. Wyatt's here, but you can't see him. And we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. Time for outfit of the day. Another warm one. Gorgeous outside. It's beautiful outside, isn't it, Zena? Too bad I have to work inside. 81. It's gonna be a high of 82 today. I chose for today this chaser tank I got quite some time ago at the Evereve store. This is one of their with heart tanks that are exclusive to Evereve. And I paired it with a Liverpool denim skirt that I got in my latest JB style box. Put on my Vince Camuto sandals I got last year in a trunk club. Love this gold color. And for jewelry, I have on a necklace I also got from the Evereve store. My earrings are Glamour Jewelry Box. Hello, yes. I have a bracelet on my husband got me. My ring is Stella Dot. You've seen a million times. I think that's it. What do you think, Say? What do you think? Zena was sleeping. We just got up so she could come outside. Wyatt's on bug duty as always. And I think that's it for today. So we do have to talk about boxes, right? So last, there's a bee flying around my camera. Oh, the joys of being outside. Last Saturday, was it Saturday, Z? I can't remember. My Wantable that Linda and I did together, right? So I got the, Wyatt's on it now, the Get Out of Town. This bee is terrorizing me. The Get Out of Town Wantable edit was a style edit. I ended up not keeping anything. I know, right? I couldn't exchange the cut from the cloth shorts or those cute mango colored shorts. And they didn't give me the discount because I had only 3 items then. So they did give me a $10 credit if I kept stuff though. Which I don't know. In the end, I just didn't keep anything because I felt like I was forcing it or something, even though I would have had $30 because I still had my styling credit as well. But I didn't keep anything. So that's where I landed. Linda, they did honor her the 20% since that she had that one item that was missing. And she was able to exchange her denim. So it worked out for her. She kept 4 items. So everything except for those 2 tanks that she didn't like. So the little tie front or side tie navy top, the little cute beach days tank top, and then the 2 bottoms, the denim and the pretty green pants. So it worked out really good for her. She loved it. She's thrilled. Then this week I posted my Nordstrom haul and then my Globin, and today is my Wantable versus my Stitch Fix. So I have to decide today what I'm keeping, so I will go over that with you tomorrow. All right, happy hump day. We'll be back tomorrow. Okay, so after several beautiful days outside, I'm back inside because it is a rainy, dark, dismal day. Hey, Z. The gang is all here, ready for outfit of the day. And before we do that, I need to update you on box keepers. I'm pretty sure my only clothing haul or, subscription box so far this week has been yesterday's, which was a box comparison. So I did Stitch Fix versus Wantable, both really good boxes. I love both of those subscriptions. And I ended up keeping these shorts from the Stitch Fix. I love these shorts. So cute. I actually really liked everything in my Stitch Fix except for the little top. I didn't really love that one quite as much, but I could have easily kept all 5 for the discount, and I probably still would have worn the top, but I just didn't. I didn't love it. However, the Z Supply dress, I have several of them, and I have like last year's camo version, which is a little darker than the one they sent me. So I don't need 2 camo Z Supply dresses that look exactly the same except for a slightly darker, lighter camo version, right? So I decided I don't need to keep that. It's way too similar. And then the other 2 maxi dresses I really liked. However, I have not, if you guys watch my outfit of the day videos, I've not been wearing a lot of maxi dresses. So I bought several already so far this summer, and I didn't want to add any more to my collection right now. So I didn't keep them. That was my thought there. I keep thinking about that striped one because I thought it was really cute. So I may regret my decision and maybe ask for them to possibly send it to me again later, but we'll see. And then for my Wantable, I did end up keeping 5. I'm headed hopefully to the beach here shortly, and I think that's why I picked the pieces that I did here. So I kept the yellow tank, which I think several of you had commented this would be a great outfit. Totally agree. So I'm looking forward to wearing that together. I did keep this dress because it's a totally different silhouette than the other one, and I thought that would be super cute here as I travel. There you go. And then I kept the Summer Love because I feel like I can wear this all year round under t-shirts. It's just me. So I thought that was adorable. I ended up keeping these shorts. I could not size down, but I thought the loose fit would be nice for travel. And I'm kind of the girl in the picture that they send you on your pamphlet had a leopard print top on with this, and I loved it. And her top was actually long sleeve, and it had me thinking I could probably wear these into fall a bit until the weather really cools down. So I kept these, and then I also kept the jeans. I could not size down in these either, but I love the fit through the hip and the leg, and decided maybe I shouldn't. The waist wasn't too terrible. I had a little bit of room, but I think once they relax, it's probably going to feel really good. That was my thought. Hopefully I'm right, and not sorry, but I really like these. I love that straight leg light wash look right now. So I did end up keeping the 5. I basically got the denim for free anyway. I think I actually got a little bit more than that off with the discount. So that's what I decided on those 2 boxes, but I think both of them were really great. Yes, I see you. You stop. All right, for today's outfit, I chose it's still going to be warm today. It's supposed to still get up to 80. So I chose a loft outfit. I have on this loft linen tee, love the print, and I paired it with tan shorts, which I forgot I had. I was thinking I had no light colored shorts, but I forgot I bought this pair, I think in June from the loft on sale. Love. And then I have a lot to do today. I have to run to my mom's after work, and I put comfy Old Navy flip-flops on for running around. And my jewelry, I have on a simple little necklace from White House Black Market, gold hoops my husband bought me, a bracelet stack. So these 2 I bought at from the Evereve store, and this little bracelet I bought from a boutique where I get my facials. And that's it for today. Zena's ready for a treat. I hope you're doing well, and we'll be back tomorrow with a happy dance. Hey everybody, it is Friday. Here, you don't want to see me do a happy dance. You want to see Zena do the happy dance. She just got groomed. She is feeling good. Check her out. How's her little watermelon? Can you see that? Watermelon bandana on. She just wants treats. Huh, Z? Huh? Yeah. She's so cute. And Wyatt. Wyatt is so handsome. Look how handsome he is. He's so handsome. Oh, you. Did we not just talk about you? Hey. He has his bandana on. He looks so handsome. He's ready for the happy dance, huh? Yeah. You ready? It's Friday. It's Friday, huh? You're so excited. Yes, you are. Huh? All right. I'm excited. It's been a week. All right. For today's outfit, let's see. Oh, my video today was your bijou box. There's a giveaway. Make sure you check it out. You have a little over a week to enter. I think it's like a week and a day. What are you doing, huh? So make sure you check that one out because there's a giveaway. It's a really good one. Okay, today's outfit. I'm all distracted. Zena has distracted me and she's giving me the eyeball. I have on a pair of cut from the cloth denim shorts. Pretty sure I got in a Trendsend. I have on a tank top from Express. I have on a kimono that I got in a Wantable. I love this one. Put it on with my clear sandals from Dolce Vita. And let's see, for jewelry, I have some new Touchstone by Swarovski jewelry. My mom wanted some jewelry from there for her birthday. So, of course, I also had to buy some. Is she not obnoxious? So I got these earrings and this bracelet. Is that not pretty? And then I also got an anklet, which I don't know if you guys can even see this, but I got this little anklet. Can you see that? Probably not. And I think that's it. My necklace is a little palm tree, which probably you can barely see, that I got in a Stitch Fix. And my ring is Stella Dot. And that is everything. All right, Zena, what is your deal? She's had so many treats today. Don't let her fool you because it's been ridiculous. All right. Tomorrow I have a fun video planned for you and we'll be back with another outfit. Hey everybody. Happy Saturday. It's the weekend and the gang is all here for outfit of the day. It's early in the morning and the birds are chirping. It's really pretty outside. The sun's going to be out. I think it's going to be a really beautiful day. So I'm wearing that cute little black dress I have received in my armoire for today's outfit. Paired it with, what are you doing, huh? Paired it with my Kenneth wedges in the fun snake print. And for jewelry, I have on some Leo Sophia stretch bracelets, rings from Rocksbox, and I just have hoop earrings on, and that's it for today. All right, we need to talk about today's Wantable that just posted, but I've had it for a little while and had to decide what I was going to do, and I actually really liked it. So I ended up keeping 5. I was rather torn, but I really liked the jeans by Liverpool. Hi, Zizi. Zena wants all kinds of loving today. Really loved the ACDC tee. And I really loved the dress by Z Supply. So then I had to decide, was it worth it to keep a couple more, which it was. So I ended up keeping the purple shorts that went so well with the little, with the t-shirt. Plus I love this color. And I ended up keeping the blazer, which was so super stretchy and I felt like would go with so much. All right, that's what I decided with my Wantable. And I think you're all caught up. I think that's all the style boxes I had this week. All right. I'm trying to think if I had any other housekeeping items to share with you today, but I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. I will list all my outfits down below. If I can put links to the item, I will. Many times it is boxes, and all the links to the boxes will be down below. Please share your favorite outfit, and until next time, bye everybody.